Welcome friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing one of the ways to simulate and program Arduino in Proteus. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is to load up the program. And after that, you click on New Project. Make sure you choose from the development board. Then select Arduino 168. You can equally simulate with other boards, but here we're going to stick to Arduino. So I'm going to select Arduino 168, then change the file name to Arduino LED Blink. Then I'll click on Finish. Here is our working area. The first tab is where we do the circuit design, while the second tab is where we write the Arduino code. Let's return back to the schematic capture. As you can see, we already have the Arduino circuit in Proteus. So all we need to do is to design our circuit, connect it with the Arduino circuit, then run the simulation. From the file name, you can give a guess that we're going to be designing a blinking LED. That's correct. And what do we need for this circuit? All we need is LED and resistor, which already comes with the Arduino circuit. So over here, as you can see, we have the LED and the resistor. Let's start with the resistor. So I'm going to bring up the resistor, then connect it in series with the LED. Connect the LED to ground. Then the resistor will be connected to any of the Arduino input/output pin. So for instance, let's use pin 11. That is this. So this is pin 13, but it's input/output 11 in Arduino. So we're going to connect this resistor to the input/output 11. So what I'm going to do is I'll use the default to do the connection. So I'm going to rename this to IO11. Click on OK. And I will change the resistor value to 220 ohms. And that is all. So what I'm going to do next is to write the code that will do the blinking for us. So let's switch to the source code environment. So here we are going to be writing our code. We're going to start with the setup block. As you can see over here, it says put your setup code here to run once. So the code you specify inside this block is going to get executed just once. So one of the code we are going to be using here is the pin configuration. We are using pin 11 for our design, and this pin 11 is an output pin because it's sending signal to the pin. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use a function called pin mode. The pin mode function takes two parameters. It takes the pin number and also the mode of the pin, which is output. If you are using the pin for input, you specify input. And that is all for the setup block. Here in the loop block, we are going to be writing code which runs repeatedly. As you can see here, it says put your main code here to run repeatedly. So one of the things that we're doing here is to specify the blink effect. How do we get this done? We use the function digital write. It takes two parameters. First parameter is the pin you want to change its state, which you must have configured inside your setup block. Then the second parameter is the state. We'll specify that as high. Then I'm going to create a delay for a second. Digital write. The pin is 11. Then here I'm going to change the state to low. Wait for a second. Then repeat the cycle. So this code it's going to run continuously. Then after writing your code, all you need to do is to compile it using this command, build project. Okay, it says compiled successfully. So let's return back to our schematic capture and run the circuit. As you can see, the circuit is working fine. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing another method on how to simulate and program Arduino in Proteus. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.